Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 94, Surface Areas and Volumes, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. Let's start. State true or false. If from a solid cubic block a hemisphere of maximum diameter is cut off, then the surface area of the cubic block will decrease. Sure, this is a cuboidal, means cubic block, means what all the sides are equal. Now I cut some hemisphere, means a half circle like this hemisphere from this of maximum diameter. So how can I cut of maximum diameter? You have to cut it from the center somewhere and then bring the hemisphere like this, right? So 2, if 2 is the dimension of the cube, then 2 will be the diameter of that hemisphere. Now somebody can say that I'll cut this way, so means along the diagonal I'll cut it, but in that case it will be a maximum diameter, but it won't be a hemisphere, it would be just a segment, because hemisphere means it should be a half circle, so it won't be a half circle in that case, it will be just a segment. That's why you have to cut it this way or this way, anyways is allowed, but along the from the center only you have to do it. So what we have to do is we have to find the surface area of the original cube, then surface area of the new hemisphere, and then compare it. See here, surface area of the hemisphere would be there are two figures to this. One is this hemisphere and one is this circle, base circle. So surface area of both we have to find out. Okay. So let's find out first for cube. There are 6 faces to the cube and each face is what, 2 into 2. So 6 into 2 into 2. So 24. Original surface area is 24. Now about this hemisphere. See here, there are 2 areas to this. One is of the hemisphere, one is of the circle. So surface area of hemisphere is what, 4 pi r square. Remember this formula, 4 pi r square, and plus surface area of this circle is what. To watch the videos further, kindly download YogaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.